You might see at this stage my project looks a little bit different. I'm just going to record or re-record some videos to make this easier. You don't have to have the dowels in yours. It's fine, just the side panel as you have it. Just check that the panel is connected as the plywood, and then if not, add a joint to the bottom surface of the panel and the bottom of the groove. Let's duplicate this so we can use it for several parts. The first thing I'm going to do is come up here and go right click, save as copy, and we're going to call this one end panel. Save. Make sure you're in the project folder. So you should see you've got two different components here. The end panel's pretty well finished. We're going to make sure we're still in your original chest project file up here, and we're going to make a change to this one. So click one of the horizontal rails and then activate that component. Come down to this one here, first extrusion, double click, and we're going to make this one 500 long, and it should update. Click save, and then close the component. Once this updates, finishes saving here, we're going to right click on this one and rename, and we're going to call this one front and back panel, and press enter, and then you can reopen it. So this one's our finished front and back panel, and this one here is our end panel. We need to make a couple of changes to the end panel, so we're going to click this vertical rail and activate it. I'm going to have a look at where this rebate here is, and we're going to delete it. So we're going to look for that sketch, which is that one, and we're going to delete the extrusion, and we're going to delete the sketch. I can't remember what this one is, so I'll double click it to view it. I can't open it, so I'll delete it. So that added material there, and I'm going to delete that sketch there. And let's kind of look at the overall size of this rail here by looking at the first sketch. So that's a 70 by 19. We want this one to be 42. So that's cleaned up the end panel for ready to go for our assembly. Click the end panel at the top. Yours might be nested down here more, and then just kind of tidy up all the minimize the menus here. Click save and OK, and we're ready to assemble our project.